Hi, this is John Mayberry again with Real Property Management, and I'd like to chat with you guys a little bit today about some things to consider when renting to folks regarding the ADA. In talking to attorneys and at events, this hasn't been brought before a court. There hasn't been a court case yet where the landlord says this dog is not necessary and the tenant says, well, my life coach says that it is, and then had a judge say, you don't need this dog, and once that happens, that'll minimize the gray area. But right now, it's kind of what we find is it's a lot easier to accept pets and require an additional deposit than to get into the back and forth and, I need my pit bull to be a functional member of society. And maybe you do, but that's not for me to decide. And until it goes to the court, and there's a judge that says, this is what's required, and there's more of black and white. We just deal with it on a situational basis and do the best that we can. And the whole aspect of dealing with the ADA is providing reasonable accommodations for people that have disabilities. Modifying your policy on no pets, the courts have said and the ADA says, is a reasonable accommodation to allow a person to have a pet. Because there are certain breeds of animals that are not insurable. If this dog bites someone, your insurance will not cover that liability. So a reasonable accommodation on their part will be to provide an insurance policy on their pet, so as if that animal, if it is a vicious breed, were to attack someone, the tenant has an insurance policy that covers that incident. So there's a little bit of give and take there. We're willing to make a reasonable accommodation for you to accommodate your disability if you're willing to make a reasonable accommodation for us so that we're protected. Thanks so much for your time, guys. I appreciate you watching this video. As always, if you have any questions, give me a call or shoot me an email.